So if you have the Archetype Racing BAM or TAP, and you can't wait for them to release their balls attachment, it will take a ram ball as long as it's got a long enough thread. So I just picked up these 1/4 inch -20 by 1/2 inch long, and they fit in there just perfect. So you take the screw out that holds the different sections together, you screw that in nice and tight, and it goes in. It does not go below the bar itself, but it goes in right where you need it. So you got potentially 1, 2, 3, technically 4, 5 opportunities to do that if you like.